Hey guys, this is part 8 of this Nuxt 3 Builders tutorial where we are building this beautiful resume app. Now, in the previous video, I made a mistake. I said that we are building components right now, and I said that top level components, something about them not being registered, or non-top level ones not being registered, but that is completely wrong. And I'm sorry about that. What I was talking about were plugins, not components. Components will be registered as long as you're using them in your app. If not, they won't be registered. Yeah, I think that's called tree shaking. That makes your app a lot smaller. So when you go to plugins, right, it says which files are registered, and it tells you that only my plugin.ts, which is a top level plugin, and the index of the folder would be registered. But we are not talking about plugins right now. Maybe we can talk about that later. Okay, so let's continue with our componentization. So far we have created 3 components: body, navigation, and resume. We're going to continue componentizing until our app is beautiful and it makes sense to look at, right? So we'll keep this body tag, which I don't think I really like the way it looks, but we'll keep it anyway. And then we're going to go to the navigation component. So I'm just going to click the navigation component right there. Okay, so let's look at this and say, can we break this up into components that make more sense, right? Could we do something that makes more sense? And I think we can. If we click here, these are the navigation links, right? Right there, you see that? And this is like the navigation top, right? You have the image with the avatar, I believe, the navigation top. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to componentize this. So this will become one component. We'll just call it navigation top, right? And this we'll call it this navigation links. Okay, so we know what to do, right? We're gonna go to our components folder, create a component. We're gonna call this navigation top dot view, and then template, and then we're just gonna, I got too many things open now. Close that, close that. So navigation, we're gonna just get this. We won't get this whole thing because this wraps in. Or should we? No, it won't. Won't make much sense. Let me see. Let me break this up some. Just move this down here. So yeah, we're gonna componentize this. And just grab that and cut it. Control X or Command X on the Mac. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna call this navigation top. And if you have, I think this is tab 9 or something, that will do this for you. Alright, so navigation top. So do we have it here? Yes, we do, right there. So that's navigation top. That's like the avatar, I think. No, it's more than that. Okay, navigation links. Let's go, guys. Navigation links. Let's create another component. Navigation links dot view. And the same thing. Template. No, we don't need navigation top. We're going to go to navigation. This will now be called navigation links. Save that. Navigation links. Alright, so things should still be looking pretty good. Right? Look at that. Updates so fast. I love it. Love it. Love it. Alright. let's go. Now we're gonna go to the body because I think this is pretty decent. Well, let's look at navigation top. You guys might be thinking, I think maybe you're over engineering this, but let's look at navigation top, right? We want to really componentize things. This is called component driven methodology. So we have the name here. We have the avatar. Wait, this is not the avatar. No, this is the, oh, this is the navigation button. Okay, and then we have the here. So these look kind of different, right? Like they do different things. This is the navigation button. This is, call this the avatar. Yep, we're gonna componentize this, guys. So I'm gonna call this long names now. Navigation avatar. Actually, I don't know if that's a good name, but it is an avatar. Wait, is that the avatar? Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, no. I'll just call this navigation top. All right. Navigation avatar. No. This is the avatar here. We're gonna call this navigation top. I can't think. We'll call this navigation name and avatar. Oh, that's such a long name. Such a long name. But oh well. Maybe we'll change it later. Actually, we're gonna remove the and. Navigation name avatar, yeah. There we go. I think that's better. Okay, so he tells us this. Do you want to? This is the components. We don't want to mess with this because this is automatically generated. So just close that. Don't save. Just leave that alone. All right. Template. Navigation avatar. So in navigation top, we're gonna just grab that. Cut. Navigation name and avatar. I'm gonna place that there. Go back to navigation top. This is gonna be called navigation toggle, right? Because it's toggles the navigation. Yeah, we'll call this navigation toggle. Wait, what do I navigate? I forgot about that. Navigation name avatar. All right, then we gotta do this we're still with navigation top. Navigation toggler or toggle something. I think this would be this little button. If we make this smaller, that little button there. And the reason why we can componentize this, because this is different from this, even though they're part in the navigation. We want our components to be as descriptive as possible about what they do. Trust me, when you start to build, when your app becomes large, you will be thankful for that. I'm going to call this navigation toggle. Alright, navigation toggle. Template. Navigation toggle. Gonna grab that. Control X or Command X. And Control V or Command V for paste. Navigation toggle right there. Alright. So how's it looking? Do you see how beautiful and semantic your app is now? Resume navigation, navigation top, navigation name avatar, navigation toggle. And I don't think this is over engineering, but we're gonna navigation name and avatar and just componentize this one more time. Should I do it? Should I do it? Maybe later. Making this into navigation? No, maybe later. All right, let's go back up then. It's hard to see which is the parent component here. So I like to use the view dev tools. They really help. Okay, so we're kind of done with navigation. Now let's start to do body. Body is bigger, right? So let's see if we have enough time here. So body, and if I remember, body has a lot of sections. Sections are good because that makes it's going to be easier to just break them up, and they're all named. If you have a good HTML template, it makes it so much easier to componentize your app. We're going to do that in the next section. Hey guys, so make sure you click the link below to find out what that little amazing secret I have for you to build great, amazing Nuxt apps. And please leave a comment. If you like this video, leave a comment and press the like button and subscribe, because I want to provide you with just great Nuxt tutorials so you can really know how to build wonderful, beautiful Nuxt apps. Stick around. I'll see you soon.